everyone, welcome back to my channel Day 18 class. Today we are going to discuss about journal entries as well as ledger accounts. This is our sixth sum of ledger accounts. Let us prepare the journal entries and ledger accounts also. Prepare the ledger account of Bhavya from the following particulars. So these are the transactions of Miss Bhavya. We have to make the all ledger accounts. So we have to make all the ledger accounts of Miss Bhavya. So let us start from journal entries. This is our pro forma. The main heading is journal entries in the books of Bhavya. So the first transaction 2014 June 1st. The first transaction is received cash from Shiva. Received cash from Shiva. So cash is coming into the business. So cash account debtor to Shiva account. So the narration is being cash received from Shiva. And next, how much? 75,000 rupees. 75,000. And next transaction is held on June 4th. Bought goods for cash. So we has bought the goods. We have taken the goods. That is purchase account. Purchase account debtor to cash account. The amount is 50,000 and the narration is being goods purchased. And next, the next transaction was held on 6th June 6th. Sold to Suresh. So goods has been sold to Suresh. Here there is no cash mentioned, so it is a credit sales. That means Suresh account debtor to sales account. Amount is 40,000 and the narration is being the goods sold. And the next transaction was held on June 12th. Bought goods from Praveen. Here also the name has mentioned. So it is a credit purchase. So purchase account debtor to Praveen account. And the narration is being goods purchase on credit. The amount is 50,000. And the next transaction was held on June 16th. Sold goods to Ganesh. So we have sold the goods to Ganesh. It is also a credit sales. Ganesh account debtor to sales account. And the narration is being the goods sold on credit, and the amount is 35,000. And next, the next transaction was held on June 20. Withdraw cash for personal use. Personal use means this is drawings. Drawings account, debtor to cash account, and the narration is being cash used for personal. The amount is 20,000. And next, the next transaction was held on June 26th. Received commission. That means we have received the commission. Cash account, the cash is coming into the business in the form of commission. And narration is being commission received. And the next transaction was held on 30. Paid rent 5,000 rupees. Rent account debtor to cash account 5,000 rupees being rent paid. And next transaction was held on June 30. Paid salary. So we have paid the salary. So salary account debtor to cash account 1,000 rupees. And the narration is being salary paid. And now we have to make the ledger account. Now we have to prepare the ledger accounts for these transactions. The first transaction is cash. So first we have to prepare the ledger account for cash. Here it is cash transaction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are having 6 cash transactions. So we have to write 6 transactions ledger account. Here it is first transaction on June 1st, cash to Shiva. So we have to write to Shiva in debit side 75,000. To June 1st to Shiva account 75,000. And next, purchase to cash June 4th 50,000 by purchase. By purchase account 50,000. And next, June 20 drawings to cash. So it is June 20 by drawings, that is 20,000. Next, commission June 26 to commission account 2,000 rupees. Next, by rent June 30 by rent account 5,000. Salaries to cash. So June 30 by salary account, that is 1,000. So these are the cash transactions. This is 75 plus 2. 77,000. And this is 50,000 plus 20,000, 76,000. So this is 77,000. So the highest amount in debit side, 77,000. June 30 by balance C by D, that is 1,000. So it is transferred to the next month first, July. July 1st to balance B by D, 1,000 rupees. And next transaction on Shiva account. So Shiva having only one transaction in Bhavya's book. So on 24 June 1st by cash account, that is 75,000. So there is no another transaction. So we have to make tally. 2014 June 30 to balance C by D, that is 75,000. And we have to make it as balance brought down for the next month first, July 1st by balance brought down 75,000. And next, purchase. So purchase, this is one transaction, and second, the purchase account has two transactions. So one is on June 4th, June 12th, 50,000 and 50,000. June 4th to cash account 50,000, and June 12th to Praveen account 50,000. So make a tally. There is no credit transactions. 2014 June 30 by balance C by D, that is 1 lakh. So we have to make it as next month first brought down, that is 1 lakh rupees. And next one is Suresh account. So here we are having only one Suresh account. So that is on June 6th, 40,000 to sales. To sales account, that is 40,000. There is no other transaction. So we have to make tally. The amount is by balance carried down 40,000, and we have to make it as balance brought down for next month, July 1st. And next one is sales. June 6th by Suresh 40,000. June 16th by Ganesh 35,000. These two are the transaction of sale. By Suresh account, that is 40,000, and on 16th by Ganesh account 35,000. So there is no debit transaction. So we have to make 75,000. So to balance C by D 75,000, and we have to make it balance by B by D for next month first, that is 75,000. And the next transaction is Praveen account. So we are having only one account of Praveen, that is on June 12th by purchase account 50,000. There is no debit transaction, so we have to make it count, tally both sides, and the amount remaining is to balance C by D 50,000, and it will transfer to the next month July 1st as by balance B by D, that is 50,000. And next transaction on June 16th, Ganesh 35,000. So Ganesh having only one transaction. June 16th to sales account. The amount is 35,000. There is no another transaction of Ganesh. So we have to tally the both sides. Balance carried down 35,000, and this is to the next month first. Balance brought down. And next, drawings. So drawings on June 20,000. There is no another transaction of drawings. There is only one transaction held on that month of drawings. June 20 to cash account 20,000. There is no more transactions of drawings for that month. So we have to make it as balance carried down 20,000, and this one to next month first to balance brought down 20,000. And next one, cash is over and commission. In this month we are having only one commission transaction, that is on June 26th by cash 2,000. By cash 2,000 30 to balance C by D 2,000. So we have to make tally. There is no more transactions of commission for that month, so we have to transfer this amount to the next month first by balance brought down 2,000. And next one, rent on June 30. Rent account means to cash. June 30 to cash 5,000. Only one transaction held on rent. 30 to cash 5,000. There is no more transactions. By balance carried down, that is 5,000. So we have to transfer this amount to the next month first, July 1st, to balance brought down 5,000. So why we are writing balance here? Because here it is debit. There is a high amount in debit. There is no amount in credit. So in any time we have to balance the debit side and credit side. At any cost we have to make balance. The debit side and credit side should be equal. So here there is a high amount in debit. So we have to count the both sides and the remaining amount, whether in debit side or in credit side, the balance amount is C by D carried down, and the amount that carried down has been brought down for the next month first. And rent account is over, rent ledger. Cash ledger is also over here, right? And here salary account. So the last one, the cash is also completed here. So salary is the remaining account. We have to make a ledger account of salary. June 30 to cash 1000 rupees. June 30 to cash account 1000 rupees. There is no other transaction of rent. So we have to make tally. So here there is no amount. So by balance C by D 1000, and we have to make it as 2 balance B by D 1000 for the next month first. This is the transactions of journal entries and ledger accounts of Bhavya. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like the videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.